at a new location today with one of my favorite mini RC cars, the HBX Ratchet. This one is bone stock, nothing has been changed on it. This one is fully upgraded. We have HBX Rampage wheels, we have oil-filled shocks front and rear, a 2S Lipo battery inside, as well as the upgraded metal CVA drive shafts in the front and back. We are going to be putting them up against each other to see the differences in speed, handling, and just looks. So stick around and we'll get into the comparison. Issue here on the stock one. So these back friction shocks, after running in the dirt, are completely jammed. So that's one thing to note, and another perk of upgrading the shocks. So next we're going to do a drop test. After running both of these cars, at the end of the day, I couldn't put down the upgraded one. Just those faster speeds and the better handling really make a difference. You can run this stock, it is still fun, but once you get into that 19, 18 mile an hour speed range, these things really come alive. Upgrades to do immediately, I would say throw in the 2S Lipo battery and the upgraded shocks. You won't be disappointed. I'll put a link down to all of the upgrades that I've done to this down in the description below. And until the next one, thanks.